As you all know, my hair has finally transitioned from relaxed hair to natural hair. Drum roll! And I am excited. So it is with great pleasure that I want to share with you this amazing hairspray that I have incorporated into my hair growth routine. So we will be making this hair growth spray with natural ingredients such as fenugreek, aloe vera, rosemary, and lavender. So guys, let's get this video started. Our first ingredient for this treatment is fenugreek. Fenugreek will be serving as a conditioner that will soften the hair in this treatment. And the second one is lavender. Lavender has moisturizing properties that can help nourish and hydrate the scalp. The next ingredient is rosemary. Rosemary here is our number one hair growth agent. And then we have aloe vera, which is rich in water content and has natural moisturizing properties, making it an excellent ingredient for hydrating the hair and scalp. It helps to lock in moisture and leaving the hair soft, smooth, and hydrated. So the first thing I would do is to clean our ingredients up, like the aloe vera. So here I am removing the thorns of the aloe vera. So after removing the thorns, I will wash it properly and I will slice the aloe vera into pieces. After slicing the aloe vera, I will soak them for 1 hour so that I'll be able to extract the latex in the aloe vera, which irritates the scalp. So once this latex is extracted, whatever you produce with the aloe vera will not irritate the scalp. So I will cover this and keep it for 1 hour to soak so that the latex in the aloe vera will go into the water. Next, I will measure my dry ingredients. I will take 1 tablespoon of rosemary and transfer it into the plate. The second ingredient here is lavender. I also take 1 tablespoon of lavender and then 1 tablespoon of fenugreek. I will add half cup of hot water, very boiled hot water, and cover. So I'll cover this and keep it aside to soak for 24 hours. Fast forward to 1 hour, the latex has been extracted. You can see the water is somewhat yellowish. So I'll bring the aloe vera out and throw the water away. Next, I will start slicing the aloe vera open to extract the aloe vera juice. So this is how you will do yours. Make sure you get the juice out. So I will do that one after the other, bring out all the juice. I do not have big aloe veras this time. This is what I could get. It's dry season here in Nigeria and this is what I was able to get. So I am done bringing out all the aloe vera juice and I decided to keep it aside. This is it, and sieve my soaked dry ingredients. So this is it, and they've properly infused into the water. So I will sieve it out. You can see the color. I actually kept this for 24 hours, so you can see from the color that the ingredient infused into the water very well. So but if you are in a hurry, you can keep it as little as 2 to 3 hours, but 24 hours is perfect. And then I am done sieving that. So my blender is bad. I decided to use this mixer. Let's say dissolve the aloe vera. So that's what I did at this stage. I used the mixer. It didn't give me exactly what I wanted. I was so impatient, but it was still okay. So at the end of the day, this is what I had, and I used my wig cap again to sieve that. So the aloe vera gel actually came out nice and I liked it. So aloe vera is very good. It helps to balance the scalp pH, creating an optimal environment for healthy hair growth. It can help to regulate oil production, preventing scalp dryness or excess oil. So incorporating aloe vera in your hair is not a bad idea. So if you have watched till this point, kindly subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment if you have any question. At this point, I decided to mix these two together and add other essential oils. Here I am adding my vegetable glycerin. I added about 5 drops of that. I also added peppermint oil, and I also added my homemade black castor oil. So I am hoping to purchase my Jamaican castor oil very soon, but this is what I have, and it's a very good castor oil that has been working for me. So at this point, I am going to stir this together and transfer into my spray bottle, and I will show you how I'll be using this oil on this spray, on my hair. So I decided to add fenugreek in this treatment because it contains proteins and minerals that softens the hair and controls hair fall. It contains compounds like glycerin and steroids, saponins, which help strengthen the hair roots and prevent hair fall. So here, this is my spray. So I'll start by using the hair growth spray to saturate my hair from the roots to the tips. And this hair growth spray is good for both adults and kids. So I'll apply this to my hair and scalp. Apply to your edges also if you're losing hair around your edges. Ensure that your whole hair is soaked in the hair growth spray. After applying this to your hair, massage your scalp for at least 3 to 5 minutes. So ensure that you apply this to your hair and your hair strands and the tip. The tip is very important. It is very important because that is where breakage starts from. So to give that part of your hair strength, make sure that whatever product you are using on your hair gets to the tip of your hair. So I will go ahead and massage my hair thoroughly for at least 5 minutes, and after massaging, I will go in with my leave-in conditioner. I will apply this all over my hair and also at the tip, the edges, and ensure that my hair gets it. So this is to help prevent dryness. So whenever you apply a hair growth spray, most importantly a water-based hair growth spray, it is best you go in with your leave-in conditioner and seal with your oil so that your hair will not dry out. If you experience dryness after applying any water-based hair growth spray, it is simply because you do not go in with your leave-in conditioner and oil. So this is our hair growth spray. You can use this daily or twice a week, and you can store this in the refrigerator. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.